In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link external websites in Google Sites. Linking to external websites is a great way to guide your visitors to resources, references, sign-up forms, or partner pages without cluttering your site. Let's walk through the process clearly and confidently so you can add links that look professional and work reliably. First, open your Google site in edit mode, head to your site and make sure you're not just viewing it. Enter the editor so you can make changes. You'll know you're in edit mode when you see the editing toolbar and can select elements on the page. If you don't see those tools, make sure you have editing access to the site. Next, decide what you want people to click, text or an image. If you're linking text, highlight the exact words you want to turn into a link. Choose descriptive wording like view the full report or visit the official documentation. This helps visitors understand where they're going and improves accessibility. If you're linking an image, click the image once to select it so the image-specific options appear. Now click the insert link icon. On text, you'll see a small formatting bar above or below your selection. Look for the chain link icon. On an image, the same icon appears in the image options panel. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can use Command+K on Mac or Control+K on Windows to open the link dialog quickly. The goal here is simply to bring up the box where you'll add your link. Finally, paste the external website URL, copy the full address from your browser and paste it into the field. Make sure it includes HTTPS so the link is secure and recognized. Double check that you're linking to the correct page, especially if it's a resource that might change over time. In some versions of Google Sites, you may see an option to open the link in a new tab. Turning that on can help visitors return to your site more easily after viewing the external page. When you confirm the link, Google Sites attaches it to your selected text or image. That's all there is to it. Open your site in edit mode, highlight the text or select the image, click the link icon and paste the URL. Use clear anchor text, link only to trustworthy sources, and keep your links consistent with your site's voice and purpose. With these simple steps, your Google site will guide visitors exactly where they need to go without confusion or clutter.